Don't screw yourself. Get a dash cam. Do you know dash cams is the best evidence that you could possibly get to show and prove what happened in an accident, especially if it's disputed? Dash cams are actual reconstruction or video evidence of what happened. Unfortunately, people without dash cams are always stuck between word versus word when there's no independent evidence, independent witnesses, or police report to help support their basis. Why miss out on a compensation when you could just buy a dash cam?